Running for local government or creating a political PSA? Here's a few tips to help your campaign video get the exposure it needs. Number 1, be personable. You are representing the people of your community. Therefore, you must be relatable to the people. Start your video with a short personal message about yourself and tell your audience why you're running. Number 2, use simple words. Your viewers will tune out the second you start to use jargon, so keep it simple. Number 3, keep it short. The average YouTube video is only about 3 minutes. So for a political video, you're gonna wanna make it short and sweet, about 90 seconds or less. Number 4, have a message. What's the key takeaway you want voters to know? Take the heart of your message and make it into a slogan. Number 5, hit them with the heartstrings. Sure, facts are great, but humans are driven by emotions. You want your constituents to picture your shared vision in their heads, and you want them to feel like they're a part of it. Now that you know how to create an effective campaign video, you need a production team with a creative eye. Lucky for you, Proud Digital Media is a video production agency that specializes in political videos. It takes a team to win an election, and we're here to help your campaign rise to the top. So give us a call at 844-907-7683 and start your campaign today. I'm Rachel Ramos with Proud Digital Media.